Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alishba. Today we are going to try something really cool. Koko Couture have sent me hair extensions. Thank you so much. These look amazing and I haven't even tried them on yet. They sent me the Salon Professional Heat Resistant Synthetic hair extensions.
Synthetic.
I'm really excited to see how these will look. These are the MV3 Weft straight 22-inch hair extensions in dark brown and caramel. I'm not sure how much these weigh, so I'll write everything on the screen so you guys know everything you need to know about these extensions. So quick background on me, I don't really wear extensions. The only extensions I've ever worn are drawstring ponytail extensions. This is my natural hair and I have dyed it. So my natural hair is black and you can see it growing out, and then at the bottom it's this light brown that I dyed my hair 2 years ago and I've just left it in. Yeah, so my natural hair has been growing, and bless them, Koko Couture, the team were being so sweet. They're really trying to match me to send me these extensions. It's really hard to match my hair because it's just so strange, and the brown is like a weird brown. I don't know if you can see it in camera, it looks kind of dark on camera, but it's just a really weird brown. So bless them for giving this a chance, and hopefully these will look good. I am definitely going to straighten my hair because these are straight, but let's quickly have a look. So I'm just gonna open it up, and there we go. Look at that, oh my god. The hair is mixed with dark brown and caramel, so I think we should be fine. I think I can make it flow nicely. Okay, so look at these. It's quite a lot of hair. One issue with my hair also is my natural hair is quite thick. Believe it or not, my hair used to be a lot thicker than this. So it is going to be quite challenged. Let's see if I can fit this into my hair somehow. But these look gorgeous, they're so thick. So this one is the 5 clip. And the hair looks really thick. Gorgeous. I'm definitely going to need to straighten my hair. This is the 3 clip. And this one is the 4 clip. Ooh la la. Honestly, the hair does not look synthetic. Obviously on camera it's going to look a little shiny. Even my natural hair is going to look a little shiny because there's a huge ring light. But it looks pretty natural to me. Okay, so to keep this nice, short and simple, I'm just going to quickly straighten my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I've straightened my hair, so that's how long my hair is naturally, and we are going to add the extensions. So I've seen in videos that a lot of people have been starting off with the 3 clip weft at the bottom of their hair, so that's what I am going to do. So I'm just opening them up so they're ready, and I'm just going to part my hair. So I've just parted it by the mid of my ears, so let me show you. So that is how I have parted it, I hope you can see. And now I'm going in with the clips. Bear in mind, I've never worn hair extensions before, so this is a different experience for me. Okay, now I'm just going to part my hair by the top of my ears, and I'm going to put the 5 clip in. It also comes with extra clips if any of yours fall out and you need extra clips. That's what it comes with. And now I'm gonna go in with the 4 clip right at the top of my head, the crown of my head I guess. So I'm just going to part my hair. Okay, so I clipped that one at the top of my head and I'm just gonna brush through my hair. Okay, so this actually blends in quite nicely, and I was quite worried because my hair is quite thick, but it's fine. And literally that's how simple it is. It took me literally 2 minutes or even less than that to apply these clip extensions into my hair, and they look amazing. I didn't expect it to look this good. Literally, this is probably the best ever. It's amazing. If you're planning on getting extensions for any sort of occasion, these are it. Once again, I never wear extensions, and if you don't really wear extensions either and you need them for something, you don't know if you're going to feel uncomfortable or whatnot, I don't feel uncomfortable at all. They're comfortable, they're thick, and they're not pulling on my hair. Okay, so I'm not just saying it, 10 out of 10. These extensions are literally amazing. They look so good. I don't think you can tell that I'm wearing extensions. I can just walk out like this and you wouldn't even be able to tell. I would definitely recommend these extensions. They're amazing and they're not expensive. What do you guys think of these extensions? Yay or nay? I just really wanted to keep this video short, sweet and simple for those who are wondering if they should buy these extensions or not. These are quite good quality, and I really can't wait to make looks with these and to post them on Instagram with cool makeup looks. I really can't wait. So yeah, I hope I have helped those that are unsure whether to buy these or not. They're really easy to put in, they're not uncomfortable, and they're not heavy at all. I am going to have a play around with these extensions, and very soon I will do a tutorial video on how to do some hairstyles. So if you've got any hairstyles you want to know or want me to figure out how to do, or you want to see how they look in these extensions, just comment down below. So that's a wrap for today. Please like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next time, and I'll see you shortly. Bye!